Guys, all you need to do is to learn to bounce and relax your body. It's a simple thing, but it will require you to do this motion again and again. But that's alright, you can do it every day, just a little bit. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 sometimes. You walk with it. Just on one leg, back to the center. You rest, you try to relax and you go on the other leg. And at first we just want to get the leg part down. Then we can add our body when we are more comfortable. To the side, maybe like this. Maybe to both sides, maybe front and back. And you keep doing that. Just a simple motion. You have to get the experience in, you know, just like the game. So then this base skill is easy. And you can add your other body parts to it. And that's a game of drilling a bit more of the other stuff. You have to get your arms in. So we get the arms in. 2 at the same time, just one. Alternating or keeping just left, down and up, down, bounce and bounce. You chill, you know. Eventually your bounce will be like you can dance. Have a nice session of 30 minutes, you know. It's like your conditioning training, right? So if you're lifting weights, you're eating, you know, good, keeping the body healthy, then you can have a lot of fun when an occasion happens. Back to the bounce, back to the bounce, back to the bounce again. Back to the bounce, back to the bounce, back to the bounce again. You can practice also the rhythm with your voice. 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. That was a very riddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to the bounce, back to the bounce, back to the bounce, to the bounce again. Anyway, clapping and everything, the exercises are great. So practice just to one song, for example, the bounce, the one that you like, that gets you moving, and that way you will enjoy the practice more.